One of the villa owners is suffering with pigeon shit because pigeons sitting on below the roof. After they complain, we decide to fix bird spike on sitting area. Under roof is quite high, so we erect scaffolding and make platform on the top so we can work safely and smoothly. That's the idea. Before install any things, we had to clean surfaces so that its may looks clean and stick. Spike and glue nicely bonding as well. So that first of all I start to scrap whatever hard matri with scarper. It's not really hard, but it's contaminated color. It looks black on white. Here is some sticky material like silicon. I don't know what is this. It looks like some kind of glue. Or some silicon maybe. But how it can come with pigeon? Or maybe it's medicine for avoid pigeon. There are some medicine like some kinds of glue. But it's create difficulty for pigeon to sight there. I think that's the one. After drop water it starts. After scraping it's need to wash with pressure water. I use tap water because high pressure water can be removed paint as well. So this pressure it's okay for now. It's not really clean, but after cleaning my adhesive can stick properly I hope. It's need to clean below also because there are also lots of pigeon shit. Normally this pigeon shit need to wet little bit then it's move easily. It's so bad smell. They're down lots pigeon shit. I am going to use Sikaflex, which is crack chiller with silicon Susie's gun. Let's prepare. This is the bird spike which is we are going to install. We have to apply glue nicely on surface. And we have to make plain with scraper on surface so it will sit nicely. After that we can install a bird spike. Then now we have to install bird spike. See how easy it is. And after install it's need to press little bit, so it's may bonding nicely. And again and again let's do continue. Now this all pigeon are drinking water in pool. See how luxury life. They have just enjoy reach people pool without invited. After drinking they will land it here for resting. But sorry pigeon no more space anymore. You have to tone out another place.